Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Friday, September 30th, 4:30 p.m. New York time. U.S. stock markets close. Today was the last trading day for the month, last trading day for the quarter. So next week we start a new month and the last quarter of the year. Since it's the last day of the month, let's look at the chart time frame monthly. Each candle represents 1 month, one trading month. Look at the stock indexes, the major stock indexes. The S&P 500, red for the month, hit a lower high, lower low, all-time new low for the year. This over here was the low of the year. We broke it and closed below it. The trend is down. Yep. NASDAQ 100, red for the month, lower high, lower low, also new low for the year. Dow Jones Industrial Average, red for the month, lower high, lower low, new low for the year, also took out that swing low. Let's remove that. Yep. It's tough. Okay. Let's continue on with the indexes. The Dow Transports, red for the month, lower high, lower low, new low for the year. And the Dow Utilities, red for the month, actually made a higher high, but a lower low, just shy of closing below the low of the year. Russell 2000, red for the month, lower high, lower low, just shy of closing the year low. So takeaway is not all stock indexes are at the low of the year. But all the stock indexes here closed red for the month. Yeah. Yep. They also, right off the bats, made lower lows than the prior month. And a reminder, the S&P 500 is comprised of several indexes. The NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones Industrial Average, Dow Transports, Dow Utilities. These 4 indexes are inside the S&P 500. There's another index I don't have here, which is the S&P 100. That's also in here. And this Russell 2000 index, no, it's not inside the S&P 500. It's its own. You will be tested at this weekend, Sunday night. So pay attention and take notes. I'm testing you seriously. Don't worry, this is a pass or fail class. You'll manage. Let's look at the 11 sectors in the S&P 500. Yep, there are 11 sectors. Same time frame. Looking at XLK. Red for the month, lower high, lower low, and new low for the year. Oof. Takedown, smackdown. XLV, well, red for the month, lower high, lower low. Did not take out the low of the year yet. No, but it is trading below 125. Massive consolidation up there and broke below it again. XLF, red for the month, lower high, lower low, new low for the year. The financials, yeah, the banks. XLY, red for the month, lower high, lower low, did not take out the low of the year. XLC. Red for the month, lower high, lower low, new low for the year. With almost every month has been bearish. XLI. Red for the month, lower high, lower low. We're testing this big green candle, midpoint. We're testing it. We didn't break below it nor close below it. We're resting on it. Let's see what happens come next month. XLP, also lower high, lower low, red for the month, new low for the year. XLE, red for the month, lower high, lower low. Nope. Down here is the low of the year. Way away, far away. XLU made a higher high, new high for the year. Lower low, close red for the month, but did not take out the low of the year. XLRE, well, red for the month, lower high, lower low, new low for the year. XLB, also red for the month, lower high, lower low, and new low for the year. With that, also tested midpoint and closed above it. Takeaway here is, let's zoom in at the last monthly candle. And right off the bat, we should be able to identify something pretty clearly. Every single one of them closed red for the month. That means they closed lower than where they opened for the month. All 11 sectors. Well, not all 11 sectors made new lows for the year, but they're red. A lot of selling. Tough. So also understand that, see, most of them had wide trading ranges. How much of that was really panic selling? Well, we start a new month next week. We'll see if people were just panic selling, if buyers step in next week. But stay cautious, because we also look at the indexes. There are trading opportunities setting up here with new leadership within the sectors. Go into the Faang stocks. Yep, the Faang. Faang Plus. Again, same time frame, monthly. Very popular stocks. Apple, red for the month, lower high, lower low. Did not take out the low of the year. Yep, it is not at the year of the low, but big move down below 150. Microsoft, red for the month, lower low, lower high, new low for the year. Oof, that's a big sell-off. Amazon, red for the month, lower high, lower low, red for the month. Again, there's the low of the year, didn't take it out. Let's update this midpoint. So that did get tested and build to close above it. Prior month. So housekeeping here, right? Is that what we call it? There we go. Good enough. Meta, Mike Echo Tango Alpha, the headquarter company name for Facebook. Well, red for the month. Lower high, lower low, close red. New low for the year. Also took out that low back there. So let's remove that. Also, notice these two inside candles, huge tails on the top, and took them out. Yeah, that was a pattern forming of this huge red body and these two of the high tails. It was a bearish pattern. Alphabet, stock symbol Google, but the corporate headquarters name is Alphabet. Red for the month, lower high, lower low, new low for the year. That's really struggling. Tesla, red for the month, made a higher high and a lower low, closed red below the prior month. There's a low for the year. November, Victor, Delta, Alpha. Well, red for the month, lower high, lower low, new low for the year. It's also in a supply zone. All this is a prior supply zone. Closed inside of it. Watch this cautiously. Netflix, November, Foxtrot, Lima, X-ray. Look at that. Got green. Made green. Made a higher high. In a lower low. But closed green. Small trading range. Consolidation phase. Who's buying Netflix, really? Let's label this as consolidation.
There we go. Tiny trading ranges. Not an oomph to bring it up. Yep. Struggle was real. Alibaba, Bravo Alpha, Bravo Alpha. Red for the month. Lower high, lower low. Just shy. See this? Just shy of getting down to the new low of the year. So those are the big Faang stocks. Faang Plus. And again, right off the bat, there's several of them that made new lows of the year. Huge companies. Yep. See, majority of them made lower highs, lower lows. So this overall is technology. And this is not where the money's flowing. I showed you the sectors, and you saw which sectors were not making lower lows. So right off the bat, you identify who's the leadership and who's the weakest within the stock indexes, the sectors, and these single stocks. And understand what you should be looking for to continue trading bearish, and maybe what you should be considering looking to enter bullish. The setups are building momentum. Many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.